Hello everyone. The topic for today is lessons from COVID. For last 9 months, we are seeing a different situation in world. That we are seeing things which we were never expecting. Now, what lessons have we learned? Like, what is the crux? That what have we like? What is the ultimate result? The ultimate result is we need to realize that most important is the health. It is not money, it is not economy. If you are alive, then everything is okay. If you are not alive, if you have health issue, then obviously economies will come at the back. The main thing is the health. For everyone, you need to be alive and you need to be healthy. That is the most important thing. The second thing we have learned is we need to be prepared for the worst. So in case we are not ready for a worse situation, then obviously things will really turn bad. We need to realize that anything can happen anytime. Mentally we should be ready. And the most important thing is it is the start of digital era. The start of digital era means there was a phase, industrial revolution, factories started and all that thing. Now it is a digital era. Digital is everything is online. Everything will be on the phone or on computers or very high technology. The old style of business has stopped. The old style of functioning is stopped. You don't have to go to banks, you don't have to go to shop to buy anything or to inquire. You just sit on like in your home and you can do your job. You can buy anything from there. So basically it is all digital. You don't waste time in traveling now. The traveling has finished now, whether it's locally, whether it's domestic or it's international. Traveling is only for tourism, not for work anymore. Maybe eventually after 1 or 2 years we see that all kids are not going to school. We don't know. We have already started work from home, so everyone is working from home. So things are changing and things are going to change very fast. New softwares are coming, new methods of payment are coming, cryptocurrencies are coming, they will be becoming functional. So things are changing. You have to involve yourself, you have to learn these things. So this is the start of digital era. The old style of functioning will not work. The old style of business, of working in office, is not going to work. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.